This module is all about on-page optimization, or as we call it, on-page fast track blueprint. See, on-page optimization means optimization that you can do to the landing pages of your own website. So the good thing about on-page optimization, you have complete control of it because you control your website. You own it, right? So everything that's done on your website, everything that's done on the landing pages of your site falls under on-page optimization. It mainly has three things. One, the web copy, or the copy, the content of the landing pages of your site. Okay, you have complete control over that. So as you go through the videos, as you go through this module, you'll realize that how you need to change the content of your website. So that was the first thing. The second thing, how to upload images and add your search phrases to those images. So that's also something you have complete control over. When you upload an image, when you upload a picture on your website, you control that, right? And the third thing is building internal links. So how can you link one page of your website to another page of your website? That's easy because, once again, you control all the pages of your site. So on-page optimization are the strategies that you would actually do on your own website. It includes a few other things that you'll see as you go along, but those are the three main things. So let's get started. I mean, why wait, right?